after 25 years, he forgot everything about the India. But he has his name also, the Indian name also. His father didn't change his name. It was Seru. Seru. Yes, but they the people was pronouncing the wrong name. The Australian people or his parents, they were actually pronouncing means another name, like the wrong pronunciation, like Saru. So then he has some actually memories of his childhood. Then he met some Indians also there. He met them. Then one day he realized and about their family, about their memories, just his flashback, and he was really confused. What should I do to get my family again? And he didn't know English, Hindi. And but in the childhood he used to speak Hindi, but he tried everything there in Australia. To get his family. Then what he in a map he put on the wall map of India. Then on Google Earth also, on Google Earth, and somehow he found about the that colony. Her mother was a worker. She were a labor, and then he found them, and he took the permission of their adopted parents, and he went to the he came back to the India. Then he searched for them again, and he went in the city that Khandwa, and then he met them. Actually, the movie is really very good, and it's so emotional movie. It is on Netflix also. The Loin only, and actor is
What is the name?
Loin.
Lion.
Yes, and
Lion Share.
Yes. That's why his name is also Seru. Then later he came to know about he was pronouncing his name wrong pronunciation. It was Seru, and Dev Patel is actor in this movie. You know Dev Patel. Dev Patel is actually very famous personality. He's British Indian. He's British Indian, and Slumdog Millionaires. He was hero in that movie. The Oscar.
I haven't seen, but I know about that movie.
Slumdog Millionaires.
Slum Millionaire. What was the name?
Hello.
What was the name of that movie? Slumdog. Slumdog Millionaire. Yes.
It is released in I think 2008, and the movie got Oscar.
So he was the actor.
Slumdog Millionaire.
So he was the actor there.
I think Slumdog Millionaires of it was the debuted movie of him.
Was?
Debuted movie. He started from that movie, and It was really very famous. And the one more movie of him actually. It is also the one more movie that is the best.
One of the
Mm, Marigold. This one, the best exotic marigold hotel. The the two sequel of this movie, first and two, and it is also very. The all movies are linked with the foreign, not with the India, but linked with the India and for foreign countries.
you are watching them, huh?
Hmm.
So you are happy with this.
Hmm. Some good message is there in that movie. That's why I watch.
One of my very old student.
Hmm.
He was from Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Narul Amin.
Hmm.
He studied English with me 4 or 5 years back.
Okay.
That time he was in a job there. We studied there. He took classes 2 or 3 times. Then after that he finished.
Hmm.
Then a few days back I again got a request from him.
Hmm.
Narul Amin. There was no picture of him, so I thought that Narul Amin was the same guy.
Hmm.
Then he told me now he moved to Malaysia
Okay.
and he started his classes again.
Now,
Yes,
at present,
yes, yesterday he started.
after how many days, how many times he came back?
After 3 or 4 years.
He could have learned a better English if he would means if he would have started before that time.
No, he could learn that time,
Hmm.
but now he wants to be in touch. He wants to practice.
Hmm. Right.
That's why he wants to have classes again.
Hmm. So direct from Malaysia.
No, he is staying in. He has got job there.
Hmm.
That time he was unmarried. Now this time he is married.
Uh-huh.
He is married
Hmm.
and he is staying with his wife there.
Hmm. Okay.
Narul Amin.
What? His name?
Narul Amin.
What is that? His name?
Yes.
His Mongal.
Yes, Muslim.
Yes. Hmm. Tamil is very difficult language actually.
Tamil, the most difficult language is Malayalam.
In Malayalam, South India.
From Kerala.
No.
Malayalam is from Kerala, Tamil is from Tamil Nadu, Telugu is from Andhra,
Andhra and Telangana.
and Kannada is from Karnataka.
Hmm. But Tamil is very difficult.
Malayalam. Malayalam is most difficult.
Which actually Malayalam has some Sanskrit word like Hindi, but Tamil is very different. I have learned one sentence of Tamil. நான் உன்னை காதலிக்கிறேன். Nan unnai kadali karen
Mean
means I love you.
where did you learn it from?
I learned it from actually from some Tamil students actually. It was a group of Tamil. So they were, I found them in Gurgaon actually. So they, they, they taught me that. They didn't teach me anything. They taught me that. Don't know why.
Actually, you can learn any language from internet also.
Mhm.
Because
Right.
there are many ways to learn.
Mhm.
Google Translator even you can use. And even the pronunciation is also there.
Right.
So it can be learned easily.
Right. Yes.
Means the way to learn is easy, but learning may be difficult. But depends
Mhm.
on you how determined you are to learn it.
Right.
If you keep learning it every day for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, then you can learn it in no time. Actually, if you have desire to learn,
Mhm.
you can learn anything.
Right.
If you have no desire, even the world's best teacher can't teach you.
Yes. Right.
If you have no desire. I have
Right.
seen many students like that.
Uh,
Their aim is not to learn.
Not to learn. Right. They are actually, they have the people, the students. They, if they want to learn English, they have some other feeling inside them. And what is that? They think if we learn English, we will show our in our family, in our friends, that we are speaking English and that. So their way is wrong actually. They don't know why we are learning English. What is the benefit for that? And that's why they quit, because their mind is somewhere else.
One or two last 2 years back. Oh, in March it would be 3 years. 2 years. 2 years back there was a lady doctor from Pune.
Pune?
Yes, she was Maharashtrian and she was a doctor, gynecologist. And she wanted to learn. She paid and she paid me my fee and she started. And she had a class, and after that she was to take her second lesson. I was waiting, she didn't come. And then after 2-3 hours she sent me a message that she was busy, she couldn't come, sorry. Then it was decided to have a class, third lesson, next time on that day. She didn't come on that day. I was waiting, and so she did that many times. Even she was to take a class at 3:30 in afternoon. So I was in bank at 3. So I came back immediately to take class. When I came here, she didn't come. And it was really very frustrating, irritating.
Right.
That I left my job in between and I came back. She was here. Did it many times. Then I stopped teaching her.
Right.
She sent me.
Yes, time management should be
So she
very
sent
strict.
me many messages after 2-3 months. Sir, I want to start again, and just I have taken 2-3 lessons and all. I said sorry, I can't teach you.
Simple. It is simple. If you don't have time, don't learn.
No, it is the wasting of my time.
Yes, right.
I come here for you because I know that suppose I come here at 9:30, I know I have to take your lesson. I come here, I leave everything behind. I do that later. But if I know that I don't have to take your lesson today, then I am free. I do my some other work.
Right.
I go out of my home or I do what I want to do.
And actually, we have that much time in really, but and second thing is that we have if we want to do something extra, so we will have to manage the time. It is not it is not excuses.
She was very lazy actually, She was a doctor, but no fixed time. I didn't like.
Okay. So, how much fees do you take from the foreign students?
Around 15,000.
Around 15 from Pakistani.
Whoever they may be.
Because I want to prefer some students. That's why I am asking.
Pakistani, I can take little bit less from Pakistani.
Because currency is same.
The currency is means in Indian currency it is big amount for them.
No. How? It's 98 paise only. 1 rupee. And they are 98 paise. Not more than.
1 Indian rupee is equal to Pakistani rupee, You know that?
Yes.
1 INR. Pakistani rupees.
How much?
1.97.
Yes.
Just double. Means 1 rupee. If you take 1 rupee, 1 lakh, and you go to Pakistan to visit, it would become 1.97 thousand. 1.97 lakh.
Means
just double.
Means double for us or them?
For them.
Double for them people.
Means our 1 rupee is 1.97 Pakistani rupee.
Okay, our currency is high.
Yes. Because Pakistan's economy is very down. Pakistan is a beggar.
Oh, I thought it is 97 paise only.
1.97.
Oh.
That's why if my fee is 12,000, they will have to pay 24,000 in Pakistani rupees. Getting my point?
Yes, that's right.
Means if I take 12,000 in Indian currency, they have to pay 24,000 in Pakistani currency.
And 24 is
very high amount for them.
Too much for them, yes.
They will have to work whole year to earn 24. Because they are beggar.
Yes, right. Right.
So today I am going to take soya milk.
Soya.
Soya milk.
Yes, yes, yes. I know soya milk. You did you wet
Do
that
you
soya?
do you take milk?
Yes.
But I am going to quit
But
taking.
you need more and more exercises if you are taking soya milk.
It's okay, but I am not taking milk. I am going to quit.
Means
I
you are switching to the soya milk.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, I have seen many videos of many doctors, researchers.
Hmm.
They suggest us not to take milk,
Hmm.
animal product.
Right, right, right.
They are harmful.
Hmm.
We should not take.
But you need any other product for protein.
Soya is the rich,
Yes,
very
yes.
rich source
That's
of
why
protein.
that's why I'm telling you if you are taking that soya product any, like you need more practice, more and more practice.
More and more,
You need to burn your calories.
that is
And
different thing. But you need actually your body needs protein.
mm,
Your body needs protein to strengthen your muscles.
mm.
Getting my point?
So why don't you watch one video
Which one?
about soybean and soya products? You just it has some, like, some bad effect also.
Like,
Soya has,
like,
like, no, you just have to watch that video. You can search on YouTube. This is, I think this is Rajiv Dixit video.
Rajiv Dikshit.
Yes.
What is it?
What is it about means, he described everything about soya. That soya is not from India. This product came from another country, and why it came to the India actually. What was the purpose to be here in India? So that things are actually described there.
Means he
That's
is
why
saying
I told
he should not eat soya.
you.
Hmm?
No.
Actually, Rajiv Dikshit,
Yes, yes.
Rajiv Dikshit is was a kind of person and
Mhm.
who was born here to criticize everything. I'm telling you.
You can say that, right?
His aim was to criticize everything. What was happening in India was wrong. And what he was speaking was always right. And just you see how you can believe him. How you can say that he is right? Why? Is he a god? Or is
No.
he come from heaven?
Two things I observed, that if we listen their if we are going to listen their that politics videos or audio, I can't believe on that video actually, and because I don't have any experience or also, but
Why?
in that health issues video, like health, the video about the health actually, he described everything and he said that I learned everything from the Bhagwant, Bhagwant, the Rishi
He
of,
learnt all these things from that Rishi.
means he read that books and he experienced everything.
He was the only person read that book. Others were died. Others died that time, so nobody could read that book. Only he was the person to read that book. How stupidity it is to think. that he was the only person to read his book.
Mm.
And how can you say that that saint was right?
Mm-hmm.
Saint, the Rishi who wrote that book, how you can believe that he was right?
I don't know.
Actually, nothing is 100% correct.
Right,
Just
right.
listen one thing, that there are millions and millions of people in this world. We have got eyes, we have ears to listen, we have mouth to speak. Everybody has got that.
Mm.
If God God had wanted us to listen to a particular person only, God wouldn't have given us the ears, different mouths. He could have made us blind, deaf, dumb. God could have made us blind, deaf, dumb,
Yes. Right,
if
right.
He had wanted us to listen to others.
Listen to.
But God doesn't want us to listen to others. God wants us to listen to others, watch others, speak about you or about anything, think. He has given us mind also. After
Mm.
listening, after watching, think over it and then speak and then react. God has given us all
Yeah.
these things. And why should we listen to Rajiv Dikshit only?
Mm.
Why should I follow Rajiv Dikshit blindly?
Mm.
But Rajiv Dikshit is saying everything is correct. Why?
No, it cannot be correct.
Who is Rajiv Dikshit?
Mm.
Why should I listen to him? है
Right.
कौन राजीव दीक्षित? Rajiv Dikshit is saying soya product. Rajiv Dikshit is saying that Nehru did this, Nehru did
Yes.
this. Okay, were you
Right.
there with Nehru to see what Nehru was doing? How can you say that all that things confidently?
Mm.
Nehru did that, Nehru did that. How can you say that? How
Yes.
can you justify what you are saying?
We need
Why
practical.
should I believe that you are true or you are speaking truth? That Nehru went there, Nehru did there, Nehru did there. How can you know?
Mm.
Were you there with the Nehru?
This type of audio actually after listen this type of audio, we actually mind is always distracted.
I don't like Rajiv Dikshit.
Yes.
Rajiv Dikshit is saying this. Rajiv Dikshit, who Rajiv Dikshit? Who the hell Rajiv Dikshit is? Why should I believe Rajiv Dikshit?
Mm.
Rajiv Dikshit ने ये कहा, Rajiv Dikshit ने वो कहा, and he always criticized.
Yes, right.
He criticized everyone. He was working with one agenda actually, I am telling you.
Really?
Yes, I don't know what agenda that was. Just you see, he always criticized everything.
If any person or if any food.
Any food, anything, what was happening in India was everything was bad.
Mm.
What he was saying was good.
Right.
वो कहे मिट्टी खा लो तो वो सही है. He, people follow people. That's why the people make people food.
Right. And about the food actually we all know that thing that we should have some balanced food actually, balanced diet. And we should eat many things, we should quit many things also, but we should have balance actually. No need to listen anyone. That's it.
it is very difficult to decide
Mm.
what we should do, what we shouldn't do, what we should.
Everything. Yes.
Because if you think that something is good, then somebody comes and starts criticizing. It is very difficult to decide that what is good, what is bad. If you want to have milk, somebody comes. No, don't drink milk. If you want to drink soya milk, no, don't drink soya milk.
Yes, right.
So it is very difficult to decide.
Right.
Do what you like. I think
We should have simple food actually. That's it.
actually even the vegetable, fruits, nothing is pure.
Mm.
How can you decide? Even the water you drink, it's not pure.
Not right. Mm. The Virat Kohli got his water from Australia.
He got water from Australia.
Means he gets every time.
Hmm?
He gets his water from Australia every time.
Every time.
Mm.
Hmm?
Mm.
How stupid he is. He's getting water from Australia.
Yes.
Stupid he is. Means no water is available here in India.
Yeah.
पानी वहां से मंगा रहा है, गधा है साला. गधा तो है ही.
Yes.
He is getting water from there.
Mm.
What is there in that pani? You are taking homeopathy medicine.
Mm.
Hmm? Homeopathic.
Ayurveda.
Ayurvedic medicine from the same doctor.
No.
You went to Delhi and that doctor.
Yes. But that problem is cured. My problem has cured totally.
So now you are taking medicine for.
It sometimes I have some constipation actually. That's why I take that. Nothing else.
You must have Triphala.
Triphala is actually, it doesn't suit on my body actually. When I take it.
Today I'll go to take milk, soya milk. And I'll check it because actually all the doctors suggest.
Sounds good and you look so happy.
Not happy, I am always happy. But
About soya milk.
Hmm?
About soya milk.
I am not excited and all. Just I want to check it. I want to taste it because I have never tasted it. And soya paneer is also available.
Soya paneer, right.
Instead of eating that paneer from cows or buffalo's milk, why should I eat soya paneer?
if you check uh, foreign people, there are many people.
Hmm?
There are so many people. The foreigners actually they never take product from the animals, and they have many other options what to have about the like that the paneer, the cheese. It is very different product. You can search that. There are many different product of protein, and also they don't take that. Oh, they don't take meat also. It is also
They are on vegan diet. That is called.
yes, the vegan diet and the vegan product is different actually. Hmm. But they need something for protein, so they have many options for protein.
You can have dal,
Dal also.
sprouted grains, sprouted grains for protein and for iron and all the minerals you get by sprouted grains.
Mhm. Yes,
Eat different types of grains, not only wheat. You can have maize, makka,
what?
makka,
Maize. Okay, okay. Yes.
makka, bajra,
Bajra, millet, I think.
barley, I think.
Barley, joe.
Barley is
Joe.
hmm,
Bajra, millet.
millet, meal.
Hmm. Something.
This
Yes. And that one thing more. Sorghum. Jawar, sorghum.
sor, SOR,
SORGUM, I think.
GUM.
Sorghum.
This is wrong spelling.
Mm,
I think this is correct.
I think Jawar. Jawar has no gluten actually. It's gluten free.
Jar.
Jawar, yes. Gluten free.
Walnut. Joy is also very good. Good in
Joe
fiber.
rich.
Vegan diet, meat, barley, millet, sorghum.
But not wheats.
Hmm?
Not wheat.
Wheat has carbohydrates also.
Carbohydrates and starch also actually. It has too much starch. The people who has some skin problems, I have seen them. There are many foreign people actually. They are foreigner. They have many skin disease. They take that thing, sorghum or that doctor asked them not to eat that wheat actually, and sorghum, and one thing, gram flour.
Ah, that is very nice.
They take chila of gram flour, बेसन का
चने का तो सत्तू भी खाया जाता है.
sattu is also very good.
सत्तू तो सत्तू है साहब. सत्तू sattu, you eat sattu, you become satta.
सत्तू सत्तू इन लिट्टी चोखा
Sattu is
सत्तू इज इन लिट्टी चोखा लिट्टी चोखा इज नो द प्रोडक्ट sorry it's a food from Bihar लिट्टी चोखा it's a must
sattu. North India, we call it sattu in North India.
no that the sattu is filled in the litti actually
Okay. So
so I think I can have tomorrow also if you have time if you are going somewhere you can go
no problem.
but I think I will message you at night about tomorrow
Okay.
okay so
Okay. No
see you
problem.
next time bye
Bye.